So today we're going to be diving into Canva and showing you all it can offer regarding its AI features. If you're not sure what Canva is, it's an online website or program, I guess you could say, that has all kinds of building tools for things that you can utilize, especially on social media. So for instance, you can go to templates over here and you can see the different things that you can build. You can build emails, website, sheets, whiteboard, documents, whatever, anything pretty much that you would need for your business tools. One of the most common things is if you're building a thumbnail, let's say, or for Instagram posts, stories, videos, it doesn't make a difference. It's all available here. Even business cards, if you're building something for your business, or even creating an ebook or something like that, you can utilize Canva to do it. It has all kinds of templates and tools for you to utilize. But let's give it just give you an example. Let's go ahead and see if we can find a thumbnail, just to give you, let's say thumbnail YouTube, just to give you guys an idea. So you'd go here and you'd pick one of the options in the free version, since we're free, and to determine what's available for free or paid, it's this little crown here. You'd have to upgrade to Canva Pro to use the premium template, and to do that obviously you'd have to pay, but there's all kinds of templates and stuff you can utilize for free. So for instance right here you can go ahead and click this and customize this template, let's say, and then you can make all the adjustments that you would see fit. But what's cool with Canva now is that beyond their simple tools, they've actually integrated AI into their system. So we can go here and we will be able to see what we can do with AI on Canva. And some of these features are actually available for free as well, so you don't even actually have to pay for the entire thing. However, I do recommend paying for Canva if you are going to be using it regularly, because there's so many features that you can benefit from. So let's take a look. So see what you can do with AI. You can write a blog about sustainable fashion or whatever it is you like, so it can do blog writing. It can write code. It can do designs for you based on what you want, image generation, video generation. See, and we can see what's actually available for free. So for free, we could do writing, we can do code, we can do design, we can do image. We can't do video. That's part of Pro. Then there's, I guess, more, so interactive pricing calculator, share with your clients. Anyway, there's all kinds of different things. So video as well, but all of those are under, any video generation is under Pro. And you can just test out these different features with AI. There's endless features. So in anything that you're doing, you can basically integrate this in. So let's just test this out for fun. We're going to go here and draft a blog about sustainable fashion trends. And then just like that, it's going to actually create it for you. And you can utilize the AI by just simply typing in what you want it to do the same way you would with ChatGPT as well. And it gives you a pretty high quality version. You can even utilize Canva Editor if you like here. But let's go ahead and close out and see what else we can do with AI for free. So, for instance, I went to our template, our initial thumbnail template, and we're going to give it let's see what we can do here. We can go ahead and ask Canva. So this is how we'd be utilizing AI into the app itself. So now here we have Canva. So we can have it to rewrite the text in one way or turn it into an image. So let's just go ahead and say turn it into an image of a bear. Let's just say we wanted our travel vlog area there to be a bear saying travel vlog, hopefully. Let's go ahead and see what it can do. So now it's going to process over here, and you can basically utilize the Canva AI within its system while doing almost anything that you're building. So here we're building a thumbnail. We're asking it to transform this for us, and we can come up with any idea that we like and simply prompt it to change it. And as we can see here, it actually did generate what we wanted. Mind you, it is a little cartoonish, but obviously you can prompt it differently for whatever it is you like. But, you know, our prompt was fairly simple, but we can go ahead and move this if we want now, and we actually would have what we requested by simply asking the Canva AI to do it. Obviously, you'd be better off with more professional prompts than simply turn into an image of a bear. We didn't really give it much descriptions. So, you know, watch some of our other videos on prompt engineering and how to create better prompts to understand how you would have approached that differently. But it's a pretty good start regarding what we can do with Canva's AI system. And as we see here, it actually tells us what it can do as well. It says, hello, you can use AI in comments to ask Canva to do things like rewrite or polish writing, create or update images. To get started, just type at Canva in the comments and ask me to do something. So that's how we would do it in regards to this, in the terms of us actually working on a thumbnail. But they do have other AI capabilities. Usually, you know, for like video generation and stuff, you have to pay. But this just gives you a small sample of what you can do in the free version while using Canva and Canva AI's system. So ultimately at this point, it just seems like the coding and capabilities of Canva's AI system is pretty limited to image generation, if you wanted to do that into a thumbnail. So you pretty much just ask it to create a thumbnail altogether, which, maybe it's better than some of the other apps that we've used in the past. You can utilize it for video generation as well, although it's paid, and for coding and writing in general. So, you can use it like just basically like any other AI system like ChatGPT, for instance, has most of these capabilities. However, you'd be able to integrate it right into your own personal editing software here, so you can adjust it accordingly to whatever it is that you're doing. And like we said before, you can literally use it to write a journal entry or some sort of blog for you. And you just go into that type of area by clicking it like we showed just now through Canva AI. You'd click Canva AI, go into write, and then you can start writing with it and utilize this for whatever it is you're trying to do. For instance, if you're writing an ebook on Canva, you can utilize this to write the ebook with the help of AI, copy it, paste it into your platform of whatever it is that you're designing with your ebook, and use the writing and the design all in one place instead of jumping from ChatGPT or other apps at the same time. So that's basically it in terms of Canva's current capabilities with AI. It's a pretty new addition into Canva, but we gave you an idea of what you can do with it and what you can do with Canva in general. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.